Hey, today I'm going to be making a little gift box with a little pop-up card on it. It is super cute. Stick around and see how it is assembled. I've already pre-cut it out. I've used a Silhouette Cameo 4. It was just the little gift box that came on the system. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so let's start off with assembling the box. So again, I'm just using glue stick because I find it works really well. I'm just working on an old cutting mat so that I don't get glue everywhere. So I've just creased along the creases on the cutout. Okay. I've just glued parts that I didn't need to. So this one didn't come with instructions. Well, I haven't found them. I'm just working along with it, just trying to do it as we go. So this is the little box that the whole thing goes in, I'm assuming. Let's find out together. Cute. I'll let that dry there. Okay, let's move on to this part. So I've just folded along the crease lines and we're going to assemble it now. So I do know that these outer edges are going to fold down onto these ones, like this. So it's the side of your box. And then we're going to glue these two little bits. Four, because there's two on the other side too. That's going to come up like so. And that folds in on itself like that. Folding it down inside itself, the little holes line up. Just going to give these a little clamp just to help them set to dry. Okay, so it's the same here. I'm going to glue comes up like so. The little tabs get glued onto the back, and you flip that inside. That's all glued. And we wait for this little box to dry up. Okay, so now we've got this little bit. Again, I've just folded along all the cut lines, and it sort of makes like a sleeve, which this little box is going to go inside of. And this one's just a one glue. Peg. These little pegs are so handy. You can find them at like $2 shops and things like that. Super handy when you're doing any sort of work with paper. This sits on top of this box. So you need to, yeah, so we glue this section. Make sure we're getting all the way to the edges. Glue that on the lining up at the back of the box. And I can sit like that. So, oh, I shouldn't have done that part yet. I've gone ahead of myself. I shouldn't have done that yet. So this is the little card here that we're making now, that we're assembling on top of this little gift box. All the way to the edges. Oh, so cute. And these little pieces go on here. This is a really quick, simple little one. Should have cut this a different colour. I wasn't 100% sure where it went when I cut it out, because as I said, I am learning with you. Oh, it's a bit cute. And then I saw we needed a little, sorry, I just need to get some scissors. I didn't bring them with me. Might have paid to have the hot glue gun out ready for this bit, but we'll try it with a little bit of glue and see how we go. Okay. Not hopeful for this sticking very well. I think I'm going to have to get out the glue gun. But it's not like there's a lot of weight on it. So maybe it will. Needs trimmed on the edges too. Put these little no, it's not going to stick, is it? That's so cute. So we'll just let that set, let that dry. Oh dear me. It's in our way. Oh, that's super cute, isn't it? That is a really cute little gift to... Okay, so we also need to pop on the front of this one. This little one goes. And then I'm assuming on the sides of the pink box, I'm going to have my little yellow stripes. Right, well, this was very easy to figure out. It is very cute, and it makes, if you've got a little gift for somebody, like a piece of jewelry or something little that's going to fit into one of these, maybe a key ring, something like that. If you're giving that as a gift, why not make one of these? These are gorgeous. So, so cute. How thoughtful. What a cute little gift. Crafting is so cute. Lets a person know that you think about them and you love them and you've taken your time to make a gift for them. Oh, that's so cute. It fits in, slides out. Might have to put like a little bow or something on the front here. And it all goes together. It folds down into this little box. Somehow, because it doesn't fit, does it? Maybe I've glued this little bit on the wrong spot. Must need to go down further so then it can lay flat like that. Yeah, that's exactly what needs to happen. Oh. Goes down onto that one. And then it can lie down flat in your little gift box. So cute. Yeah, that's right. Going to re-glue this. Now I've found the correct position for it. It's all about learning. And just flip that around. And sit like that. And you just open up your little box and pull out your thing. That is so cute. Love it. Came with 4 of these little banners. And let's show it fitting in the box correctly. And then you can just tie up your little box with a bow. And it's done. I'll tie that up right now so you can see it all finished. Sorry. That's how they had theirs on the website. Oh, super cute. And there it is, all finished. Oh, we're losing our bits. Needs a little bit of a trim on the edges of the little rope. And then they can slide out their gift. So cute. I love it. Tell me what you think. I reckon that would be awesome to put a little Christmas gift in. That's so cute. Thanks for watching, and I hope you come and watch our next video.